Go.
Hi, I'm Eddie at Alfaman, and I'm doing a little job on this Giulietta 2015 car. It's a 1600 diesel, and I'm doing a simple job. It's called a cam belt change with water pump. Well, I thought it was simple. If you come this way. And here we have an array of cam belt kits. So I fitted a cam belt kit with a new water pump, bearing, tensioner and cam belt. And within days the water pump failed. So we tested out where it was leaking from, because we thought in the beginning, oh dear, we didn't tighten one of the bolts up, or we didn't do a hose up, or it's our fault. So we stripped the job down, we did a pressure test, and the water is coming out the water pump. So I had another kit in stock, so we stripped it down, and we then stopped, because this is the belt I fitted, and as you can see, there's no paint marks on the belt. And here is the second kit I bought, and within 40 miles the paint has come off this belt. So if I were to fit this 40-mile belt back on the car, which way do I fit it? That way or that way? The manufacturer has put on arrows, directional arrows. So why would I want to put the cam belt on the wrong way? But I can't put it on because I don't know which way it goes now. So all I want to do is, for my customers' cars, is to fit quality parts. And to find quality parts is basically taking my time up. Now, I'm a simple mechanic. I'm a businessman. I've got a garage. I specialise in Alfa Romeo cars. Alfa cars from the 1960s to the present day cars. All I want to do, lift the phone up and order proper quality parts. I don't care if it's 5 or 10 or 15 quid more or less. I just want quality. So this is the quality I bought, and I think it's shit. So then we look at the bearing. It says SKF on the box. SKF is a Swedish company. So the bearing is Chinese. Now, 6 months ago, we had a customer's car in. It came to me on the back of a truck. He'd had a cam belt fitted, something like about 1,500 miles ago, and the tensioner failed. Now, if you come a little bit closer, you'll see we've got 3 identical tensioners here. This is a brand spanking new one. It came out of a genuine Alfa Romeo box, and the spring has broken, or the spring has come adrift, because it shouldn't do that. When you do this to this part, it adjusts up. This is the new one we fitted, and there's a big hefty spring there. This is the same type, and you can see the spring is gone. So there's no quality in the Alfa Romeo box, because we've now heard of 3 of these tensioners failing, all genuine Alfa Romeo boxes. So I don't know what to do. So I phoned up a local supplier and I bought this kit. And I get a belt in the kit that's got a different profile, which is the correct profile, I believe. It's a better profile than that. It's got a Teflon finish, and I don't know where it's made. I haven't actually looked. So if I look here, it doesn't tell me where it's made, but the one I bought in the SKF box is made in China. Here's another one from another kit, made in China. I don't want to fit this water pump on, because this one's failed. It's brand spanking new. If coming in a second, this one here will also fail on me. So, hello. I said I was coming in a minute. I'm trying to do a video. Don't worry. So I'm looking at, so this one I can't tell. Oh, this is also made in China. So this Italian belt kit, inner, also buys bearings from China. And all I want is to buy good quality Italian parts for these Italian cars. And I can't, because whatever kit I buy, I find fault with. I don't want to buy I don't want to buy Chinese stuff. I want to buy Italian stuff. It's an Italian car. What's the matter with manufacturers manufacturing good quality parts? I'm not interested in cheap, save a fiver or save a tenner. I've already wasted 3 hours on this job, and who's going to pay me for my 3 hours wastage? And then I put a kit on, and what does my customer think of me? I've charged him money to do a job, and the bloody car comes back within 40 miles with a water leak. Now, how good do I look now? So, I think the expression is, I'm buggered. It's Eddie from Alfaman wishing all of you people out there, I only hope you can buy good quality car parts for your cars that you like, that you love, that you want to keep going. But it's getting very difficult. I'm 72. I've never ever faced such problems over quality parts. I opened up my garage when I was 30. That's 40 odd years later. I've never ever come across such problems. Goodbye.